You can easily create AI avatar of any real person completely free. First of all, search for temp mail. Ignore this first website. Scroll down and choose anyone. Copy the email address. Open a new browser and search for Lexica AI. Open the website. Click on Get Started. Paste the temp email. Open temp mail again. Open the Lexica mail and copy the link provided. Open previous browser and paste it. Now Lexica is logged in. Click on Generate. Click on Upload Image. Upload your any image. Now write a prompt. You can also use ChatGPT to write prompts for better results. Click on Advanced Settings. There is an option of guidance scale. Please check differences of guidance scale. Now click on Generate. It will generate 4 images. When you like an image, you can easily expand it. And you can also create 4 more variations of any one image. Then click on Download button for free.